What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. As you can see, we're in my new truck. See if you guys can guess what we got. Is it a Ford? Is it a Dodge? Is it a Ram? Is it a Chevrolet? Is it a GMC? Who knows? Can you guys guess by just looking around? Anyways, we're going to take the new truck out. We're going to go for a drive. We're going to get the drone out, get some drone shots. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below right now what you think we are sitting in. What did I go get? And let's get this thing rolling. So that's the new baby. That is Frostbite's new hauling truck. I'm really starting to dig the 5th gen Rams. Very nice. Interior so much nicer too. I'm really liking this truck. Really liking this truck. What do you guys think? Just got the windows tinted yesterday, so we're already starting to mod it. You know what's up. I think she looks good. So let's check out the inside. There you go. Pretty much got the kind of like the black on black theme going on. It does have the cloth seats. This is a Bighorn Plus edition, I think they call it. I'm really digging it. Got the center console dilly, sliding cup holder dilly dally, big screen. Really nice. Back seat, got the droney. That's what we do our little drone videos with. Little cup holders in the back here. Came with the Ram mats. This truck already had and it's a sport too. This truck already had a spray and bed liner. Also has like the gooseneck 5th wheel light hookup. It does have a gooseneck hitch already in the bed underneath my spare tire for my trailer right there, so that's cool. But yeah, good looking truck. I'm really liking it. It drives real nice. So yeah, let's go for a little ride in the new truck. I'm digging it. It's so much more comfortable than the 2017 that we had, which I love that truck. You know, the old truck, it was deleted. This truck is not deleted yet. It's bone stock. But I just really like this truck. I got a smoking deal on it, so it's kind of a no-brainer. It's got a lot less mileage on it than my other truck did. So next thing up, as you guys probably know, we're going to be deleting this thing. We've already got a 5-inch exhaust system coming for it to delete the DEF, which is that stupid junk right there, you know. But I mean, it's quiet. This thing is so quiet. It won't be for long, but yeah, it just drives so good. I really like it. I really like this truck. We got hot damn Joey Bellagio riding shotgun, baby. Always. It's the only thing they didn't get when I got rid of the old truck. But yeah, what do you guys think? Throw a comment down there. Yay, nay? Should I have kept the old one? Get this one? Get a different one? What do you guys think? So this truck is 2-wheel drive. My other truck was 4-wheel drive, but I don't really need 4-wheel drive. I mean, we're down here in Georgia. I don't really do anything perhaps to really need 4-wheel drive. I think I put my other one in 4-wheel drive like one time, and I just kind of like the way the 2-wheel drive truck sits. It's easy to get into, it rides nice, and yeah, works for me. So yeah, coming out of, you know, my older truck, which was a 2017 Tradesman, that just, you know, didn't have anything, you know, besides just being a big truck and diesel, plus it was a long bed. This is not a long bed, but you know, Tradesman had just basic kind of crappy seats, you know, basic interior, you know, just didn't have any of that fancy feel to it on a comfort level. This truck, so much, you know, this truck beats that without question. I was really looking for a Laramie. The prices for a Laramie is just, it's kind of insane, honestly. But I found this, like I said, this is a Bighorn with the like the +1 package or whatever it is. So it's got like the better radio, all the extra cameras and stuff. It does have a power driver seat. You know, basically it's everything like a Laramie would have, minus the heated steering wheel and heated seats. Nothing I really need, because I don't drive this, you know, I'm not going to drive this truck a whole lot anyways. I kind of bounce back and forth between this and my Harley, especially in the summertime, you know, when it warms up and everything. I'll be riding a bike a lot, and this thing won't even get driven really unless it's raining outside or it's just real nasty. Yeah, I'm digging the new truck. I love it. It's just really nice. Next thing is going to be hooking it up to the race trailer and load it down with frostbite and all my gear, and you know, make its first trip and see how it does. I got no doubt that this truck will be just fine pulling it. The other one did fine, and this is basically the same thing. It's just a little bit smaller, but still has a Cummins, and it's a Ram, so it's all you need, right? And this isn't a new truck. This is a 2019. It's got 105,000 miles on it, but it, you know, it appears to be taken care of really nice. I believe it was a one-owner truck, and it's all stock. Nothing's been done to it. But I will say the biggest thing I like about the 5th gen so far is the comfort level is so much better. The seats are so much better, and the interior is just, you know, it's just a lot more appealing. The bigger screen radios is definitely nice. This thing has all the cameras on it, which is kind of crazy. I'll kind of show you guys that here in a second. Let me pull over. But yeah, this truck's got the front bumper camera, the rear bumper camera. It's got the third brake light camera for the top, so like it has an aerial view, which is kind of weird. It's nuts. Yeah, let me put it in reverse. But yeah, see, that's backup cam, and then we got the overhead, like the full 360 overhead view camera. It's nuts. and then I can change it to just a front. That's front bumper cam. And if I had, and then see, that's the bed cam. It's pretty cool. Definitely pretty nice compared to the other setup. Other thing I like about it is this truck did come with towing mirrors already. Obviously I got them folded down, but it's got the power button, you know, to power fold them, which is nice when I'm going through the car washes. Other truck didn't have that, so I definitely dig that feature. All right, nice little drive. That was nice. The weather's pretty decent, so it felt good to get out, drive the new truck around a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I have. So definitely stay tuned. Like I said, we're about to already start tearing this new truck apart and changing some things. Like I said, this is a bone stock truck. It still has the DEF, EGR, all that stuff. And as you guys know, especially if you're in the diesel world already, and even if you're not, I'm sure you have heard that the emission garbage on all these new diesel trucks are just absolutely horrendous and a pain in the butt. So we already have, like I said, we got a 5-inch exhaust DEF delete kit coming for this truck. So we're going to be ripping all the factory exhaust out, all the emission crap. We're going to be putting in a 5-inch straight pipe exhaust, so it's going to sound really good. It's basically kind of the same thing I had on the other truck. However, my other truck was already deleted. I bought it that way. So this one we're going to have to do ourselves. So again, we're going to have an unboxing video coming up soon on the exhaust that we got for this truck, and then we'll have a follow-up video on the installation of getting rid of all the DEF and factory exhaust and installing that new 5-inch exhaust, along with obviously some tuning. We're gonna have to upload some tunes on here to get that thing to all work, and that's pretty much first thing we got for it coming out of the gate. Down the road, we'll obviously probably get rid of the EGR, and we'll probably get rid of the grid heater and all that stuff. So stay tuned, more to come on the new 5th gen 2500 Cummins Frostbite's new hauling truck. And the cool thing is, now they match. White on white, baby. We got the white hauler truck, we got the white race truck. It's matching pair, and the trailer is white, so it just kind of all goes together. It's kind of crazy, but heck yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, give the video a thumbs up. We'll see you guys on the next one.